Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to DS Studio. Adobe Premiere Pro for beginner. In this playlist, I have already uploaded lot of content based on basics of Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you want to learn about Adobe Premiere Pro from the very basic, you have to follow the playlist. By the way, in this video, I will talk about the use of type tool to add text and at the same time how you can customize your text in a very basic way in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's not waste more time and jump to our main video. Well, already we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and import one video as sample. As in this video, I am talking about the text. First of all, I have to choose the type tool. So I already choose it. So you can choose from here and go to the program monitor. Just mark like this way. You can see a box over here and you can write here anything. So I write here anything. Okay. So whenever you write here, you can see a layer already has been created here and you can change the duration like this way. Here I repeat it. At the last point, if you put your mouse, you can see a mark and just increase it or you can decrease it from both sides. And by this way, you can change the duration of your text. Whenever I am on this layer, I can see the text. But if I just move my playhead from here to here, I can see no text here. So keep your playhead on the layer, you can see the text. By the way, next step is how we can customize this text. For better understanding, we keep this layer in any blank space where no background video. So here we can see the text, just mark this way and go to the effect control. Here is my effect control. By the way, here is my effect control. If you don't see the effect control, go to the Windows and see here is the effect control. Just place a tick mark on it, you can find it out. Okay, under this effect control, you can see text. Here is an arrow, just click it and you can see a lot of things here. So by here, we can change or customize text. First condition is you have to select it like this way. Without select this, if you changed it, nothing changed, but if you select it, you see you can change it. Okay, so first of all, under this text here we see some masking option like create ellipse mask, and this is 4-point polygon mask and this is free draw bezier. This is a bit advanced, so in this video we are talking about the very basic thing of customize the text. So for this video we skip it. So first of all, we have to change the font. So here you can see Tahoma, this is actually a font name. If you press this arrow button, you can see lot of font are available here. Just choose what you want to change. Like I change it, you see the font already changed. Also, if you want to change your font to any particular font, and if you know the name, you can write here. Like I write here TW, I can find my favorite font. So here I can select it. By the way, I do not mark it. So first of all, I have to mark it and change the font TW. See, here I already changed my font. And then here you can see regular. Under this arrow button, you can see italic, so that you can change your font to italic and also bold and bold italic. See, bold and bold italic. So you can change from here. I keep it regular. Okay. And then this is Fox bold. So if you just select it, see your font is now bit bold than before. And here is the italic. Also here is the all caps. What is this? Just for example, write anything with small letter. Okay, so I write it in small letter, but if I mark it and I just select all caps, see it's already same as anything. Okay, and then I just mark it and see here is next option is superscript. If you select it, see your text is going up, and if you select this one subscript, your text is going down. Mark the whole text, and here if you select this underline, you can see a underline under the text. Okay, again mark it. I just remove underline and all of this, keep it simple. And next is font size. Here you can find a scale. If you increase the scale value, here if you increase or decrease, you can change the number from here. So if you increase, your text size will increase or decrease. Okay, so I keep it in a moderate way. And next, here you can see some alignment. So here is the left aligned text. It already has selected, so the text is at the left side. But if you select to center alignment text, you see the changes, and to the right alignment text, you see the changes. And here also you can see the changes. Now I keep it to center alignment, and then next option is tracking. So if you just change the number, you see the word is taking some space from other, or you can decrease it. Also, just make it in two line, mark it, and if you change it, the line is taking space from one to other. I think you got it. And then you can change the entire text by changing this number value. Okay, for now I keep it in one line. And here you can see fill. By this fill, you can change the color of your text. Just mark it and click on it. You can see a color picker, and by here you can change your color from any color to any color. So I change this color, and if we just deselect this fill, we can see there is text but not visible. But if we just activate, we can see the text. At the same way, here we can see stroke. So just select it, and we can see a stroke around the text, and just mark it and change the color from this color picker. Like I keep it green or yellow. Okay, so the stroke color has been changed. Just mark it, and you can change the size of this stroke. Just change the number value from here. Okay, so you can see the stroke size already changed. I just keep it in a moderate way. And here is another option like outer inner center. By this you can choose where you want to place your stroke. Like it is already in outer, so you can see the stroke are outside of the text. But if you want to see the stroke inside the text, just select inner. See, and this is center. So I always like outer. This is fine, but you can choose anything that you love. Well, so next option is background. So if you want to place a background color, you can just select it, and you see a background color already placed. By the way, first of all, we change the color from this color picker so that it is more understandable. Okay, now the background is more visible. Now mark it, and you can change the opacity from here. See, the opacity is very low, but if you increase it, the opacity is visible, and now more visible, and just increase to 100%, it is perfectly visible. So it's up to you what number value you want to place. By the way, next is size. If you change the number value, you can see the background size is increasing or decreasing. So I keep it this way. Again, mark it. You can change the edge of the background by changing this number value. See, if you just increase it, the background is going bit round shape, but if you decrease it, it's totally sharp. So I keep it 50. And then next option is shadow. Just mark the text and active shadow. You can see a shadow under the text. Just mark again. If you change the number value of opacity, you see the shadow is now more visible, but if you decrease it, the shadow is no more visible. So for now I keep it 100. Okay, next here is angle. You can choose the angle of your shadow. Like if you change it, you see the shadow is moving. So where you want to place your shadow, you can select from here. I keep it like this way. And here is distance. You can change the distance, the shadow from the text. So just change the number value and see the distance is increasing or decreasing. And next here you can see the size. Just increase it, you can see the size is increasing, and if you decrease, the size of the shadow is going to decrease. And by this blur, you can change your shadow to blur to sharp. Like if you increase it, your shadow is too blur, and if you decrease it, your shadow is too sharp. So for now I keep it bit blur. Okay. So this is all about the basic of text in Adobe Premiere Pro. You can select or deselect any option from here. Like if you do not want any shadow, just deselect it. The shadow is not visible. And if you do not like background, just deselect it, or do not like stroke, just deselect it. So it's up to you what you want to keep or not. I just share you how to use it. Also, you can change the entire text scale or position by going here. Like position, you can change it from left to right or up to down, or by scale you can zoom it or zoom out. So it's up to you. And lastly, here is another option. Just go to type tool and press for 1 second, and see here is vertical type tool. Just select it and go to any blank space for better understanding. Just mark it and write anything. Like I write here text. You can see the text, but it is not horizontally, it is vertically. So by choosing this vertical type tool, you can place your text vertically. But all other thing like color, stroke, shadow, background and everything is same like the previous one. Well, I hope those of you who have watched the full video already understood how to use type tool and how you can customize your text. Even though in this video I discuss Adobe Premiere Pro type tool in a very basic way, there will be more videos coming up where I will discuss some advanced topics about this type tool or text. So if you enjoy the video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.